Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will show you gel nail and acrylic work. I, I hope you will like my video. Let's start. First, all prepare the nail. To applying tips on natural nail. Buff the nail with the help of buffer. And after buffering, push the skin with the help of pusher. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Then remove the edges with the help of cuticle cutter. Cure them, and after curing the 60-second gel polish gel and nerve, and then again buff with the hard buffer and the soft and then soft buffer. After applying base coat, base color applying. Every time cure base coat and base color 60 seconds. I hope you will like my video. Now applying chrome powder using finger, applying all the nail chrome powder, dust off, and create a art on the nail. I create a thin line, thick lines of color white, red or black combination. Like this. And then do not cure the art. Applying acrylic powder on the nail and then cure. From the gel icon. I create a little bit of flower in the first finger and leaf color with green, and I also apply acrylic powder on the nail. After applying acrylic powder, dust off the acrylic powder. Then I create a tiger print on the nail. Okay, I can try to tiger print on the nail and cure them. After your whole art, please apply the top coat for shining look. This top coat I will apply. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon